Welcome to TA Tech Tips, where today we are going to be doing the inaugural, if you wish. Is inaugural the right word? Inaugural, the first ever unboxing. So today I'm going to be looking at the professional hybrid from HHKB. Now, for those of you who don't know who HHKB are, they are the Happy Hacker keyboards. These are keyboards that are made for developers by developers. They're amazing. So let's crack it open and see what it's all about. All right, first impressions. I don't think you should underestimate the quality of a good box. Now, this is a good box, but let's open it and see what we've got inside. You know, I feel like I'm Jules from Pulp Fiction here when he opens the briefcase. Ah! Okay, so here we are. This is instantly, it looks really, really attractive. So let's move this box to one side. Now, if you're an ASMR fan, this is the time that you need to be turning your volume right up. So let's do it nice and slowly for you. Ready? You like that? I love it. So we've been sent the charcoal grey edition, which is beautiful. It's a matte finish that just feels beautifully textured, actually. And the quality, it just feels heavy, feels robust. This keyboard has torp key switches, and this method eliminates the phenomenon known as chatter or key chatter. I don't know about you, but I've sat in many offices where all I can hear is, and it's pretty annoying. So with this, you won't get that. It's nice and quiet. And even the keys themselves, they just feel amazing. And this keyboard provides a real smooth and fast keying experience, and it also minimizes hand, finger, and wrist fatigue. HHKB was originally intended for developers and IT professionals, but I would suggest it's highly suitable for anyone who can touch type, and especially in applications where keystroke precision is important. You can either connect it via Bluetooth, it just comes with a couple of batteries that come with the product, or you could use your USB Type-C and you could wire it, so you can use it on Windows or a Mac, really universal that way. The HHKB comes with a modified layout, and it is unlike any other keyboard. So let's take a look at the dip switches that are on the back of the keyboard itself. So you just lift this little flap up here, and you have access to your dip switches. But what you can do, you can choose different modes on your dip switches, which will enable these keys. So you can use it whether it's a Mac keyboard or a Windows keyboard. You can emulate these kind of different keys that other keyboards have. Now, what you've also got is a handy little table here which tells you what combinations of what the dip switches do. So you could download the HHKB key map, and this will allow you to customize your keyboard, and this does require the USB-C connection for that, so make sure you have that handy, and you can download this from their website.